The corrosion is extensive here.
We'll need to start with a gentle wash to...
The seam is looking much stronger now. Yes, the repair is holding up perfectly. Excellent work, team. The finish looks impeccable here. We've achieved a perfect blend.
Ready for final...
I think I found something here.
Yeah.
Shine the light right there. There's a hairline fracture. Get a picture of that, quick.
The damage here is extensive.
It appears to be structural at the rear.
We have the cables secured to the lift points.
Cables connected. Clear to lift.
Keep it steady. Slow down. Copy that. Proceeding with caution.
Keep rolling. Watch the alignment. Hold it there.
Check the clearance at the nose, please.
Slow and steady. It's almost down.
Keep it steady. Watch the wingtip clearance. Straps are holding tight. Move us forward slowly.
Keep it steady. Watch the clearance on the tail. Slow it down a bit. Perfect.
The corrosion is extensive here.
We'll need to start with a gentle wash to preserve the details.
The rust concentration is highest around the landing gear.
Agreed. We should start the application there.
Technicians, please prepare the solution.
The foam is reacting as expected.
Ensure coverage around the root.
The corrosion pattern suggests a unique atmospheric breakdown.
I agree. We need to analyze this further in the lab.
The corrosion has spread deeper here. We need to map the extent of the structural damage.
Pay attention to this mounting point. It looks critical.
Look at the depth of the pitting. We'll start with chemical treatment here. I want to see the extent of the galvanic corrosion. Keep the light steady.
It's moving now.
Careful, slowly. Look at this corrosion.
It appears to be structural.
Tagging this section now.
The rust is coming off cleanly.
Look at that luster.
I have the new fasteners prepared.
Keep it precise, James.
Yes, sir.
Check the heat-affected zone.
The surface is looking much smoother.
Let's check the contour now. Perfect fit.
Ensure the edge is perfectly flush.
Bring in the clamps.
Looking good so far. The panel alignment is off by a few millimeters here.
Yeah.
Adjust the clamp closest to the strut. Done.
Checking with the tool again.
Much better.
The seam is looking much stronger now. Yes, the repair is holding up perfectly. Excellent work, team. Proceed to the next section.
The corrosion is severe here, running right through the join. Note the structural weakness in that flange. I'm marking this component for extraction and testing.
Dimensions are within spec, but the alignment needs adjustment.
Move it a millimeter to the right.
Adjusting now. Clamps are going on.
The corrosion is quite severe here.
Yeah.
Yes, but the base metal looks stable. The dimensions match. Begin the cut. Watch the clearance. Perfect. Take it over to the wing. The corrosion is extensive here. Focus on the upper bracket, please. Notice the stress fractures on this support. The alignment looks precise. Secure the remaining clamps here and here. Check the shear loads with the ultrasonic tool now. Pass one complete. How's it looking?
Good so far, holding the light steady.
Let me wipe this section. Smoothness is excellent.
The routing matches the diagram.
It looks secure.
Let's move to the next section. The oxidation here is extensive, covering nearly a quarter of the engine casing. We're seeing deep pitting.
The corrosion here is extensive. Use a bit more penetrant on that joint. Yes, ma'am, be careful with it. The tension is building here. Stay focused on the joint. There, it moved. It rotated. I saw it. The thermal resistance looks excellent.
Comparing with the original specifications now. I think this part is ready for reassembly.
One more pass? Excellent, that looks perfect.
The seam looks perfect, Character A.
Agreed. Let's finish the polish and install it.
Excellent work, team.
Check the alignment pins. Verified. Now, slowly lower the housing.
Right.
It's looking good. Bring the torque tool here.
Yeah.
Starting to tighten now.
The intake valves appear to be functioning correctly.
I agree, the seal is excellent. Torque is within specification here. Outstanding.
The attachment points are secure.
Confirmed. The fuselage path is clear.
Engage the lift, slowly.
Another fraction, please.
Stop, hold it right there.
Verified. The connection is solid.
Good, let's secure it. Torque spec is 1000 Newton meters. Confirmed. Final check on alignment. And tight. Good to go. The connection is secure. Excellent work. Now check the routing. Moving on to the bracket.
The readings are stable on the torque sensors.
Excellent work. Looks secure.
Let's double check the upper mount.
The corrosion is severe on this joint. It appears completely seized. Let's try to free up the bracket first. The diameter is within tolerance. Excellent. Let's compare the parts. The calibration is perfect. Let's test the articulation. Movement is smooth.
The alignment is perfect.
Testing the range now. Looks good. Let's torque these final bolts.
The dimensions are precise.
Holds perfectly.
Tightening is complete.
The panel is responding beautifully to the polish.
Yeah.
Just getting the dust out from behind this mount here.
Excellent work. It's even better than I imagined.
The glass is clearing. Found the port.
Found the port. Looks good. The seat rails feel remarkably smooth.
And the headrest alignment is perfect now.
It's ready for the cockpit. Line it up there.
Just a little lower.
Watch the clearance.
Perfect. Slide it in. Looks good.
The seat rails are moving perfectly.
Good. Did you check the mounts?
Yes, they're solid. Incredible work. It looks brand new.
Excellent. The contour looks perfect.
Yes, the finish is impeccable.
The calibration seems correct. This section is ready for sealant. Looks perfect. The profile is holding. The consistency is almost perfect.
Needs just a little more.
Checking the color against the spec now.
The finish is holding up well, sir.
Good. Let's check the viscosity against the tail.
The finish is uniform. Remarkable quality. The finish looks impeccable here. We've achieved a perfect blend.
Ready for final inspection.
The finish is exceptionally smooth.
Do you approve of the color matching?
It's perfect. The second coat looks flawless. Excellent coverage.
I agree, the reflections are perfectly even.
We're nearly complete with the detailing. The thermal signatures are stable across the repair zone.
Excellent. Check the lower seams for any inconsistencies.
The panels look perfectly aligned. Excellent work.
Truly a seamless repair.
The hydraulic lines look secure.
Good. Now for the final torque check. Alignment looks solid. The instruments seem perfectly restored.
Yes, the technicians did an excellent job.
Wiring is secure. We're ready for tests.